Thank you for taking the time to be with us today, despite the short notice. I want to begin by reiterating our heartfelt sympathy for everyone who suffered in the Great East Japan earthquake. Today, at board meetings at Tokyo Motor Corporation and at subsidiaries concerned, the following was formally decided. First, it has been agreed that TMC will make Toyota Auto Body Company Limited and Kanto Auto Works Limited wholly owned TMC subsidiaries on January 1st, 2012. Next, the three companies of Kanto Auto Works, Central Motor Company, and Toyota Motor Tohoku Corporation have agreed to begin discussion toward consolidation tentatively in July 2012. When considering this reorganization, I asked myself, how can we keep manufacturing in Japan, and how can we stay internationally competitive? Just as I have been saying for some time now, the environment surrounding the manufacturing industry in Japan is extremely severe. However, with an eye towards the future and based on our thinking to do first what we ourselves can do, I decided on this reorganization. I was also confident that uniting the Toyota Group to make better cars and adopting a more customer-oriented management would increase our international competitiveness. Until now, we have consigned production of vehicle models we developed to Toyota Group vehicle production subsidiaries. Under the new structure, the subsidiaries involved will take responsibility for development as well as for production of vehicle types in which they have expertise. That will increase each company's expertise in monozukuri or conscientious manufacturing, helping us develop and produce vehicles that thoroughly meet customers' demands and at lower costs. The soon-to-be wholly owned subsidiary, Toyota Auto Body, which is especially strong in commercial vehicles and minivans, will handle the entire sequence from engineering, design, and styling to procurement and production of such vehicles, becoming a Toyota Group commercial vehicle and minivan specialist. It will be tasked with developing and producing world-leading vehicles. In the emerging markets of Asia and other regions, we believe local production of commercial vehicles will grow. Toyota Auto Body will lend a careful ear to what consumers want in each market and produce vehicles that precisely fit consumers' needs. Toyota Auto Body will also work toward introducing to China and the United States the WellCab series of vehicles marketed in Japan for physically disabled passengers and drivers.
Next, the soon-to-be wholly owned subsidiary Kanto Auto Works, enhancing its role as a specialist in the area of compact cars, will begin discussions toward consolidating with Central Motor and Toyota Motor Tohoku next July. Following the Chubu, Central Japan, and Kyushu, Southern Japan regions, the Tohoku, Northeastern region will be positioned as Toyota's third Japanese production base as we strengthen efforts to make the new company a comprehensive vehicle producer that also produces crucial components and supports operations overseas. Tohoku has an abundance of human resources capable of supporting the workplace, which is of utmost importance and something we learned through the recent disaster. As such, Tohoku will play a role in the Toyota Group as a center specializing in compact car production. Meanwhile, Chubu, while serving as the core of our production in Japan, will, more than ever, strengthen its function as our global headquarters and be a source of innovation, including new technologies, new concepts, and new methods for the world. Kyushu will thoroughly focus on manufacturing for luxury brands such as Lexus, enhancing the special attributes of each of our domestic vehicle production subsidiaries and establishing a Chubu Kyushu Tohoku tripolar domestic production organization will allow us to provide more customers with the smile-earning products we aim to provide, as outlined in our global vision. The Great East Japan earthquake struck 2 days after we unveiled our global vision. Immediately afterward, TMC employees rushed to the scene and worked as one with our 3 subsidiaries in Tohoku and with our suppliers in the region, continuously making tremendous efforts aimed at recovery and revival. Based on on-the-spot information, time after time they made prompt judgments, reached prompt decisions, and took prompt action, working to achieve recovery of production much sooner than expected. This was a demonstration of the power of the workplace, in which we can all take pride. I am confident that positioning the power of the workplace as our base, grasping changes in consumer preferences, and pursuing future-oriented technological innovation will keep manufacturing in Japan and make it stronger. Based on the new organization announced today, the Toyota Group, united as one, will aim to make this a reality as it does its utmost to please customers around the world.